Welcome to the Maruti Suzuki Smartplay dock tutorial series. This video is about using the navigation feature of the Smartplay dock. Let's get navigating. From the home screen, tap the Navigation tab. This is the main navigation screen. To add favorite places, tap here and enter the desired location. Tap the Suzuki overlay to go back. At the bottom, you will see two icons. Tapping the parking icon automatically shows you nearby parking locations. The other icon opens Google Maps and you can manually enter any destination here. To access all your saved destinations, tap the directional icon. Now choose your desired location and tap to get directions. You can also use navigation features using voice commands. Just tap the microphone icon and speak. Navigate to home. You can find the complete list of voice commands in the settings preset on home screen when the app is not docked. And that brings us to the end of the Maruti Suzuki Smartplay dock tutorial series. Thank you for watching and drive safe.